The technology housed in digital pianos keeps getting better and better every year, meaning that the tone and feel, and in many cases the aesthetics, are getting closer and closer to their acoustic brethren. So whether you're paying to accompany your own voice, performing a beautiful classical concert, or setting the mood with some smooth jazz, the best digital pianos really can do it all. Let's cover the top picks for the 2024 season, shall we? For those just starting out on their musical journey, the Roland FP-30X stands out as an exceptional choice for a beginner digital piano in 2024. Esteemed by both novice and more experienced players, this model elevates the original FP30 with its enhanced features. It now offers a polyphony of 256 notes, doubling its predecessor's capability, and enriches your playing experience with 12 distinct piano sounds and 20 electric piano variations, compared to the FP30's more limited selection. One of the most notable attributes of the FP30X is its sleek, compact design, making it a perfect fit for any room or studio space. Beyond its attractive appearance, the piano is also budget-friendly, showcasing a blend of elegance and practicality without compromising on quality. The authentic touch and tone it delivers mirrors the experience of playing on an acoustic piano, thanks to its sophisticated keyboard action and sound technology. The build of the FP30X radiates a minimalist charm while ensuring durability. Its keys are finished to resemble ivory, enhancing the tactile sensation and overall aesthetic appeal. The user interface, positioned for easy access, simplifies operation, allowing players to focus on the music. Diving deeper into the upgrades from the FP30, the boosted polyphony in the FP30X significantly broadens the instrument's sonic range. The improvement means richer, more complex chords and a more nuanced sound texture. Available in both classic black and sleek white, it can complement any setting. Key to the FP30X's appeal is the PHA-4 keyboard, which closely simulates the feel of acoustic piano keys. This feature, along with the triple sensor technology, captures every detail of your performance, catering to various playing dynamics and styles. Players can choose from 5 sensitivity levels to match the piano's response to their personal touch. Good stuff! For those in search of outstanding value without compromising on quality, the Casio PX870 stands out as the top choice for a digital piano in 2024. It boasts an impressive 256 notes of polyphony, surpassing the capabilities of its competitors. This advanced feature ensures that even the most complex pieces can be played without losing a single note, catering to both beginners and seasoned pianists alike. What sets the PX870 apart is its robust internal stereo system, equipped with a 40-watt 4-speaker setup. In comparison, many digital pianos priced under $1,200 offer only up to 20 watts of power, often through just 2 speakers. The PX870's superior sound system delivers a fuller, more immersive piano sound, enhancing the overall playing experience. An innovative aspect of the PX870 is its sound projection ports. These are strategically placed on the piano's top, allowing the sound to emanate not just from beneath the keyboard, but also above it. This design ensures a more uniform sound distribution, offering the player a clearer, more vibrant auditory experience. Additionally, the PX870 features advanced recording capabilities. It supports 2-track MIDI and 1-track audio wave file recording, with the option to save these recordings on a USB flash drive. This functionality is perfect for practicing composing music or capturing your creations to share or play back on other devices. Remarkably, no other piano in this price range offers such sophisticated recording options. The keyboard of the PX870 is another highlight. Its proprietary 88-key weighted action strikes the perfect balance, ensuring the keys feel neither too heavy nor too light. This precision helps mimic the authentic feel of an acoustic piano, making the PX870 an exceptional choice for anyone looking to enhance their musical journey without breaking the bank. For the listed price, you simply can't beat this one. Opting to invest a bit more can lead you to the Kawai ES920, the premier digital piano of 2024. Renowned for its blend of portability and top-tier performance, this model caters especially to the needs of advanced musicians. It incorporates the responsive Hammer 3 keyboard action and harmonic imaging sound technology from Kawai, delivering an experience close to that of playing an acoustic piano. The ES920 ES920 is not just about its authentic feel and sound. It comes with a robust speaker system, an extensive range of instrument voices, and multiple connectivity features, including Bluetooth MIDI. It makes it versatile for both stage shows and home practice. What really sets the ES920 apart is its combination of a realistic playing feel, expressive audio quality, and a design that's easy to move around. It has become a favorite choice among professionals seeking a dependable instrument for both practice and live performances. This popularity extends across various settings such as homes, educational institutions, religious places, and music studios. Ease of use is another hallmark of the Kawai ES920. The piano's interface includes straightforward buttons for quick access to its myriad features like sound selection, effects, rhythm patterns, metronome, and recording capabilities. The OLED display further simplifies navigation, presenting options in a clear format. Packed with cutting-edge digital features like Bluetooth connectivity, the ES920 promises to keep players engaged. Its triple-sensor hammer detection system enhances playability by offering improved response and accuracy. Additionally, strategic reinforcements in the action assembly reduce noise and prevent key wobble during intense musical passages. Known for its exceptional sound and responsive touch, the Kawai ES920 stands unparalleled in the realm of compact portable digital pianos. It earns a resounding endorsement for those seeking an unmatched piano playing experience. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Introducing the Yamaha Arius YDP145, the second best digital piano on the 2024 market. Positioned as a more accessible alternative to Yamaha's premium Clavinova series, the Arius line is perfect for educators, learners, or anyone seeking a space-efficient, high-quality digital piano without a hefty price tag. Following the well-received Arius YDP144, the YDP145 offers exceptional value as one of the two full-size models in this series. The appeal of the Arius series lies in its remarkable emulation of the Yamaha CFX Concert grand piano sound, paired with a responsive graded hammer standard keyboard. While it lacks Bluetooth connectivity and offers a modest selection of 10 sounds, the YDP145 includes all the necessary features. These include an elegant sliding wooden cover for the keyboard, a foldable music rest, dual headphone outputs, and a trio of pedals, all housed within stylish cabinets available in white, rosewood, or black finishes. The YDP145 excels in delivering the genuine piano playing experience Yamaha is known for. It seamlessly blends into any home decor with its classic acoustic piano appearance while incorporating modern digital functionalities. The weighted keys offer a nuanced touch reminiscent of Yamaha's acoustic pianos, further enhanced by the virtual resonance modeling technology. This innovative feature simulates the acoustic properties of the soundboard, rim and frame, closely mimicking the resonance and feel of a traditional piano. Moreover, the inclusion of soft, una corda, sostenuto, and damper sustaining pedals adds another layer of realism, providing essential control and expression similar to that of an acoustic instrument. Quality stuff. And now, meet the Kawai KDP120, the best digital piano of 2024. This piano marries the art of traditional piano craftsmanship with the advancements of modern technology. Its 88 keys are meticulously crafted to produce a sound that resonates with the depth and clarity reminiscent of performances in the world's most revered concert halls. The KDP120 offers a selection of rich and diverse presets that inspire musical exploration and creativity. Designed for those with space constraints, its compact and elegant form factor does not compromise on sound quality. The Kawai KDP120 projects a warm and vibrant tone, closely emulating the esteemed Shigeru Kawai SK-EX grand piano. The KDP120 features one of Kawai's renowned key actions, the responsive Hammer Compact 2, ensuring a tactile and responsive playing experience. Despite being categorized as an affordable option, it boasts features typically found in more expensive models. Through the Piano Remote app and Bluetooth MIDI connectivity, users can access and edit a vast library of high-quality voices. This digital piano records each note individually, capturing the nuanced harmonic essence of a concert grand piano. This meticulous recording process ensures that the sound produced by each weighted key is a true reflection of the acoustic original. Kawai's exclusive harmonic imaging sound technology is employed in the KDP120 to deliver detailed acoustic nuances across the keyboard's dynamic range. With its refined touch and authentic sound, the KDP120 also includes several practical digital enhancements. Players can enjoy a variety of instrument voices, integrated lesson functions, and the capability to record and playback performances. The control panel, subtly integrated into the piano's design, along with Bluetooth and USB connectivity, makes this instrument a versatile choice for both practice and performance, blending traditional piano feel with contemporary conveniences. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, and you got it.